Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to find trending sounds on TikTok. If you are wondering what trending sound is, then it's nothing but the sound that are used over and over again. Adding a trending TikTok sound to your videos increases the chances of it going viral and appearing on the For You page. A single viral video can translate into thousands of followers. Using TikTok sounds is an effective way to grow your brand on TikTok. So let's not waste the time and see how it is done. For that, open the TikTok app. Here you will see the plus icon at the bottom of the page on the navigation bar right beside the friends icon. Tap on that, and at the top of the page you will see the sound icon right beside the cross icon. Tap on the sound. Once you tap on that, you will see different option here. Scroll down and you will see the playlist option and tap on see all of the playlist at the top right corner. And here you will see the trending sounds. You will see all the playlists given there. You will see the top international option, TikTok viral option, trending in certain country option. Tap on one of them and you will be ready to use the sound. I will choose top international. Once you tap on that, you will find the sound that are top in the list. Tap on the sound you want to use and then tap on tick mark that is beside the sound. In this way you can use the trending sound. There's another method that you can use to find the trending sound. For that, come back to the home page. Once you come back to the home page, you will see the search icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. Once you tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar and type trending sounds. Then search for it. Then at the below you will see a navigation bar that has top users, videos, sounds and live. Tap on sounds. And then at the top right corner you will see the filter icon. Tap on the filter icon. Once you tap on filter, you will see a menu pop up. On the menu you will see the filter by option and sort by option. On the sort by option, tap on most used. Once you tap on most used, tap on apply on the top right corner of the menu bar. Once you apply it, it will be filtered. In this way you can find the trending sound. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.